Yes, I cannot read. God punish your mama. That God will punish you.
Don't see that you can say, so is it true that you cannot read?
Yes, so I cannot read though. Don't you know that? Not block her, leave her, make God punish him. You don't know say I not sabi read, make God punish you. They don't say you come again a pro. You don't know say I not go school. They don't fit tell una say I not go school. They don't fit tell una na. Say my year school, now make me go learn work. As I cannot read, so make you come read down for me. Make turn that tear you for there. I cannot read now, but you bear way. I'm not a pushover. But I have a shop. Do you have a shop like this? What can you offer? What can you offer to yourself, you bastard? What can you offer? What can you offer to yourself? Don't you know I cannot read? Come and read for me now. Not yes school now. We're not yes to you that is educated. What can you offer to yourself? Take a look at me. Take a look at me. How do I look? Can you stand me? Can you stand me? Can you stand me? Teacher, lecturer, don't you know? Oh, I cannot read and write now. You that can do it, come educate me. I will not block you. Just be there. Be typing your head there. I will never block you. Just be typing your head there. Be typing your tongue there. Be typing your mother, your father there. You don't, you know, I cannot read. I cannot write. Yeah. They said it all before. So take it to wherever you want to take it to. Also, I bet I'm gonna leave that mumu my customer. I'm gonna see color. See color of hair now. Are you seeing it? Look at the color. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the brown? Are you seeing the brownish? See the luxury? See the luxury? Fancy? See the type? No, make type of no. This type of I expect to ask anybody they do back comment. I block ya. I know them now. I'm almost for. Then they say that they call. They'll say go there, go type for them. No, no, go your mad in our business. Best no one answer on. I mean, who say maze you where you will not go where you move. Is it true you cannot read and write? I cannot. So school woman. Hello. Hello. Okay. Take go and give it to the guy. Yeah. No, they are bringing it downstairs. Francis, first you want to collect this frontal for tying of hair. Yes, we have frontal for tying of hair. I will show you. Mona no made the mumuna. Is it true you cannot read and write? It's true I cannot read and write now. If you want to send something for tie your igele, we have it now. Ready? See how do you want? So you want to tie your igele, you don't want to wear wig, you don't want to restore hair, just put this one on your head. Are you seeing it? Tie it. Now where the gaga, when I see gaga mo, Hairworld cannot do it. Yes. So we have this one. Order now, new arrival. Tie your igele. The trend for Hairworld. Tie your igele. Make una not block am, make una leave am there. Make it a type in mama and in papa head there. First we not even the slippers where I wear. See, I know the slippers where I wear. See, ordinary slippers where I wear. See, I'm a designer. You feel buy am. Ordinary slippers where I wear. So na design. You want me to do am gbeo. I'm gonna go out and gbeo up wa. You did three, you cannot read and write. If you dey reach where you didn't, you don't smell. Either you don't mind. Attention, either you don't mind. If your husband even dey sleep with you, go dey smell the room, go dey smell. Everywhere go dey smell. Me, I clean finish, sexy looking. People like una dey smell for one pit. Una to everywhere they smell. Person like you, will be bastard so. They look for attention. As your type, as other people come, they follow you. They type. Wow, me, if I ready for now, I go run in house. She said, "That's not a bit of." If I open this my mouth, I be like, see, I know say I don't be that kind. In short, and in short, me and you leave me, go kill yourself. I will never block you. They here, they listen to me. No. You know, say if you not talk to this kind of person, if you say maybe they fear them. You not rich, oh. Because this video na 10 minutes because yeah, the braid not many, it's not much, just like 6 color. I just say me I show my luxury customer. You will type that hand there. for your life, you never ever see happiness. You and if you be married woman, you will never find happiness in your life. The hard way you take type that this thing, you go down by fire by thunder. That hard way you take type that to say, hey, what is it true? You cannot read and write. You cannot, why are you doing live video? You will never find peace in your life. As you just come to this place now to come they type your head, you will never find peace. You will never know peace. As something they spread me for social media where I don't know anything, I no go ever find peace. Now go see him. Give me this thing. Order. He will not be a muya. Every oh yeah, you are typing. You think say I dey feel now? You think say I get time for this rubbish? I not send though. All the rubbish that be doing, I don't send. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn because I'm so busy with my business. You are a fool. Be here. Don't leave. You go type. Me, I will never block you. Be there. Now depression, I will kill you. Depression, you will get depressed. You will never find peace. You don't give her the see all this my lovers see see my glasses for here. I see very far clear. I dey see far clear. But to see short sight, that's why I use my glasses. Yes, so yes. That's why I use thank you, darling. That's why you see this glass now for short. Now they say at time when I go they say when I give me my lens, The manner yes, I sabi spell my name. I see spell my name. Spell Hairworld. Do some kind thing. Make thunder fight. My let me say I want make I answer. I wanna not worry all this my fans. I wanna leave me because when someone are going maybe or my mouth not going. How can you just come to somebody's live video just be typing? Is it true you cannot read and write? Yes. So if you don't know now, just know it from now. I can do it. You that can do it. What can you offer? Look at my shop. Are you see the laundry? It's up and down. They come down, they enter upstairs. What can you offer? You with the smell. If you never married, maybe you get boyfriend there. How are you coping with your man? How are you coping? Best like not even shave on her armpits. You are a beast. You say this. See if I open my mouth and hey God, my man not hear word because I just pretend say I don't want to talk. Please follow. No, say this video na short video. Let me can cause see another color. Are you seeing this one? This one is like piano color, right? See, are you seeing the color? See, you see the color here. You see, are you seeing it? You don't snap her. All this my phone are not vest for me. My fans, all my customers are not vest. At times, some people just say very stupid. Oh God. Oh, Salobua. Everyone will come and more. You know, will ever see happiness for your life. You will be depression will kill you. Basically, like this one, you don't even get work. Maybe your day say one beg, now say one spring misery go beg. You just sit down there, you not get it. You just find attention. You just find attention. Hey, see me, luxury, see. Luxury or not, can you afford this complete, this jeans jacket and trousers? Can you afford it? Can you afford this gold? See, now gold, not be costume. See, oh now gold, see. And not be costume. See, they see, you feel afford that make God punish you. Who not go school, see what they wear. Da, don't do. You feel afford that. Can you afford it? Can you afford this? Even ordinary bonds when they say 100,000, you feel buying, This no, I'm a very cheap. This brace, you not even reach 100K, but see, you feel buying. Is it true you cannot read and write? Why are you doing live video all day? You know whenever see that hand wey you take write that this thing. Eh? See me, I tell you, between God and this ground where I put leg, God will create heaven and earth. Eh? Now where you do, now there you go the shit, now there you go the peace. What today they call that to they keep them from one place? What is it called? What is it called? What they say this thing carry them. I remember just now. You are going to die in depress. Where you go, then they'll come to feed you. Then you know whenever I see what you go cure you. They'll see me you go beg their word, may forgive you for this way they swear for you. So they are not nothing they need they swear for you. That hand will take time this way, can't take time for you. Day and night, if I dey back, I go naked. I should they swear my name for that's what they need they swear for all of you now. Because in my new way, in my business now stuff they do. If I not read that cancer, see read that right, what is your business? Now you marry me people for us. Now you marry me people for us. Because I know they want to talk to you. Now your office maybe I don't know myself. Take time. Anytime you come to this page to write anything, just watch yourself that week as your life will be. Now me talker. I go naked the swear for you where God the type rubbish. Because Mario wa quite marry one. A day I go for cold like I was off with the show my hair. Order your hair for Hairworld, luxury or not. If film my where I say film the hair. You say I say when you film my where zoom out. Now so I think they do and reach. I not be saga person, I not sabi do saga. Many things where they have to say, I not able to do the sit there. Now maybe once now people they send and you say, well, see what is going on. You cannot get that time. I'm always busy with my business. Before I go reach out, I'll do children early this morning. I know why I say wake up 4 o'clock. I don't go do school run. Now me will go drop the kid. Now me also go pick them for school. You go here come the type rubbish or zoo. Now I not go block you. Just listen to me now. Now depression then will kill you. You see. I beg one and not verse. One at times they make. At times somebody want you provoke you. I'm not going and go up in your house for me, mama. I beg see this color, Jerry. Now this now because you can't spoil my joy. The more that they do the thing, the more I go to see. When they take thought say my hair too cost. Now some my hair they did, and so many people not going to follow me they buy again. Now we come to they say the hair pass. I mean I not see her for Facebook. I not see the way the thing called the lost do. The way the business can they flow. Hairworld there too dear. Hairworld there too dear. So people not going to say they say Hairworld here too dear. Now me say people not going to follow me they buy again. Now I come with a say pass. Now not they see her. Now not see her. All my customers God will bless. More can they come. The business can they boom. As soon as I call you down and take spoil my name. As I can't talk, customer not call they call Hairworld again. Now luxury I they sell. Luxury or nothing.